Today's recipe is creamy pumpkin soup. The ingredients are 1 medium onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 28 ounces of chicken broth, 2 cups of sliced peeled potatoes, 2 cups cooked or canned pumpkin, 2 cups milk, 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley, and 3 bacon strips cooked and crumbled. In a large saucepan, saute the onion in the butter until tender. Add the broth, potatoes, and pumpkin. Turn your heat up so that it will come to a boil. It takes about 15 minutes for the potatoes to get tender. Now you can either remove it from the heat and cool, or if you have a blender that will tolerate hot liquids, you can go ahead and put half of the mixture into the blender or the food processor until it's smooth. You repeat with the next half. Add the milk, the nutmeg, salt and pepper, and heat it through. Combine your sour cream and parsley. Spoon the soup into the bowls and top each with a dollop of sour cream and sprinkle with your crumbled bacon.